Ito na po siya. Hello guys, I'm back. Good afternoon. It's afternoon here. So, I will going to show you how I'm gonna mix the ingredients for banana bread. Okay, so I just mashed the banana here, the ripe banana. And then next, I'm going to put some 1/2 of this one. Butter guys. Melted butter. Brown butter. So it will be a little bit so guys, you have to have the measurement. So for me kasi I know already how to do it, so I don't need to keep perfectly follow the measurement. So here I'm gonna mix it here, the butter, and next I have here, and then you can mix with separate first. What's next is the egg, 4 pieces of egg. Okay, here. Dirty. Okay. Okay. 4 pieces po siya. It's taglish guys. So anyone, I know everyone here is very simple to make banana bread, but here I'm gonna use microwave. This is banana bread using microwave. So okay, finish. 4 pieces of egg. Let me have tissue again. Okay. I have here the instruction to follow. Next is, give me a minute, you're gonna mix it all. When you finish, brown sugar, egg, and vanilla. How many vanilla? Tablespoon of vanilla, 4. 2, sorry. Last time, I made a little bit, size of banana bread. But this time, I added it more, banana, pieces of banana, okay? Then after that, sugar, brown sugar. I have to cut this, okay? With sugar. Egg, white sugar, brown sugar, vanilla, and until it's glossy. So guys, this is 1/4. I'm gonna put half of this, okay? Because it will be more, sweet. And after this, 1 stick of cinnamon. Oh, not yet cinnamon. It is. And later, I'll mix it with the flour. For now, I have to put vanilla, sugar, brown butter, white sugar. Where's my white sugar? Here. I will put 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, guys. Here. I know white one. I already put the, red sugar. So, this is the brown. 2. Very sweet. Okay. Okay, next, after brown sugar, butter, brown sugar, white sugar, vanilla, egg, and then I will mix it all together until it will look glossy. Okay, so take a look. This is what I'm going to do, guys. I will separate later to put the flour and the... Hello everybody, I'm back. This is another set of ingredients. Earlier, I just mixed all together the liquid ingredients that I'm going to mix it with the flour. But right now, I have to mix it with a separate bowl like this. This is the flour, cinnamon, salt, and white sugar, and baking soda, and baking powder. Okay, so first, it says here, I remember the last time I made this, 1 and 1/2 cup of flour. So now, I'm gonna mix it for me to make it sure, okay? 1 glass, because I use 12 pieces of banana. So 1 and 1/2. This is the flour. 1 and 1/2, 1 and 1/2. Let's say 2. Right? Okay. Yan, okay? Next, I will put 1 stick of cinnamon. I'll make it too, guys. So, cinnamon is just good smell. Very good when you mix it to your... I have another here. So, I bought another pieces of... here pala. This is the leftover last time. This one. Barely, guys. It's a little bit messy. 2 stick of, cinnamon. Next. Oh, I have my kudiko here. So, mamaya ka na mamatiri. Chat. Is 1, instead of tablespoon, this one, salt, okay? And then, baking soda. Oh, yucky. It come into my hands. Baking powder, guys. Baking powder, how many? It says here, 1/2 tablespoon, okay? I'll make it 1/2 tablespoon. Now, this is the tablespoon, guys. I'll make it 1 because earlier, last time I made 1. So, I'll make it 1.5. So, next is baking soda. Where's my baking? Here. Baking soda is 1 teaspoon. So, I'm gonna use 1/2 of this 1 teaspoon, okay? Okay. So, everything is all here at the bowl. So, I'm gonna mix it all together until it will be balanced. And I'm gonna mix it to the liquid that I mixed earlier, okay? So, flour, cinnamon, baking powder, and baking soda, okay? So, let me have it first do it. So, I will mix this powder that I separate mixing earlier, and this is the liquid one, okay? So, let me do it here, guys. Ba't parang kakaunti yung flour? Ano na? Hello, ito na po siya here. Look at this. This is the mix, all the ingredients that I prepared in mix. Now, this is the outcome. And later, I'm gonna show you. We will use our microwave to cook it. Okay, for now, stay tuned. We'll be right back. Hello guys, here the last time I show you, I just made my banana cake through using the microwave. I just put, the banana cake at the plate. It depends, you have to have a proper measurement, and then you're gonna set up here from, it is in the mid, and then set it up for until 10 minutes per plate, per round of your cooking, and then now it's already turned to a 3. After that, it will be cooked already. So, this is what I just used in baking my banana bread. Although, most of the the one that they're using is oven, but you could make still your banana bread or any cookies using by this. Just you have to monitor the, what do you call that, the temperature or measurement there, the how many minutes, the low or in everything when it comes to heating in cooking it. So we're just waiting. It's until 2 minutes more there, and it's finished. I'll show you after. So there we go. So I'm gonna open it, guys, here. Yeah, ta-da! Look, I have another what do you call that, bake one plate again. I'm gonna get it here. So take a look, and this is my outcome. See? So later again, I will put my last here, my last round to cook. I just put it to the pan, and then we'll follow again. I'll just put it there inside. So here, like that. Then close it, and then set it for, it's in the mid, guys, 10 minutes. There, you see, 10 minutes after it's came back to the 0, it's already cooked. Okay, so for now, I'm gonna show you the 2 plate that I made. This one is the second one, and this one is the first one. I already cut it. So how much banana I just use here? 10 pieces of very ripe banana. I have measurement of ingredients, guys. So that 2 plate, and then the other one there that I put to microwave, guys. That's it. Very simple and very manageable. It's not just the oven. You could use also your microwave in making your home-baked banana bread or cookies. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. I already show you what's the process of my home-baked banana bread, guys. Before, I was thinking if the microwave could be useful to make my own home baking like that. So my son just gave me an idea to make it, but we got to use it. We got to use to have it. And so here's the one that I showed you. So this is the one I made for the 10 pieces of banana. I made this one. Tada! For your own, for family or a friend, if you have a visitor, you don't need to keep buying outside there. And of course, I have still one at the microwave. So this is the outcome, guys. Okay? Thank you so much, everybody. I hope you like what I've shown you. At least in a simple way, I could teach you and I could share to you the way I made it using the microwave. So for now, this is it. So you guys, if you want to do, you could do it by yourself. Find and follow some search ingredients and do it a simple way. You don't need to buy the Luxer or very delicious one, because by your own, you can make it delicious. Okay, trust your guts, trust yourself that you could make everything impossible that you think, which is possible that you could do. Okay, thank you guys. Don't forget to appreciate, thank you, and then like, subscribe, and share our video. Keep supporting our channel, guys, and see you soon for the next simple and baking vlog. Okay, I love you all. Bye bye.